All right, so today I want to talk about a subject that is everyone's favorite subject when it comes to real estate or sales, and that is prospecting. And there are 6 simple rules that I want you guys to go by when you are making your prospecting calls. So the first rule is you got to make sure that you're taking action. Make sure that you're doing this consistently and actually start doing the work. Stop thinking about it too much and just go ahead and start doing it. Stop the distractions and block your time to make sure that you're doing it on a daily basis. Second part of that is know your destination. As a real estate agent, our destination is to get face-to-face appointments with our clients and meet them in person to talk about what they're looking for and build that rapport and trust. And if you cannot do it face-to-face, I recommend you guys doing it via Zoom. The next one is make sure that you're asking the questions. You are in control of the conversation by asking questions to your clients. Make sure that you find out what they're really looking for, and this is how you build rapport. Make sure you ask open-ended questions. Also, make sure that you're doing 20% of the talking and then they are doing 80% of the talking. And the way that you do that is by asking them open-ended questions to find out more about what they're looking for. Also, you want to make sure that when you are ending the conversation is you have what we call a TPO, 2 or 3 perfect options where you would be completely satisfied or happy with whatever option they choose. Would you like to meet Tuesday at 3 or Wednesday at 5 o'clock? You are completely happy with these 2 options and you're giving them either one or the other as far as a choice. Would you like me to send you properties in your email, or would you like to go ahead and see the properties that I just sent you today? The other one is you gotta make sure that you are confident when you are speaking with your clients. You know, people will actually be attracted more to whoever is more confident. And then there is a quote by Tony Robbins and that says, the one that is the most confident is the one that's gonna be able to influence the other person, right? So make sure that you are confident when you are talking to your clients and when you're meeting them in person, because this is the way that they're gonna be able to trust and actually know that you understand what you're talking about or know what you're talking about. Hopefully this helps, guys. If you like this video, please like it, save it, and share it.